Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku Barcelona March 13, 2022 5-star Sudoku. 8th row, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 6, 7, 8. 9th row and 10th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B and 8th grade. We have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row we have 3. 3 can't come these cells. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have pair numbers 3, 8, 9. So 3, 8, 9 can't come these cells. 3, 8, 9 will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 6. Third row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column B and column D. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. And 7 is confirmed here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 8. First grade, we have 3. And column J also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 8. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Fifth row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fifth row and sixth row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th grade we have 7. Sixth row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th grade we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1 to 5. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. Fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 6. Fifth row and 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 9. 6th grade, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. 10th row also we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column B and column C, we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 2 cells. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fourth grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 8, 9. 5th row and column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4. 4th grade also 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Sixth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7. Column J, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 5th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Seventh grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6, 9. Column B and 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 5 and 9. The 2 numbers can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 10th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column H, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Second row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Fourth row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.